Inside the darkness, a star was born. Consciousness was created. Your life has begun. Through vibrational fields of different realities, your soul has traveled through time and space, choosing planet Earth for its home. And now you are here, on a mission to fulfill your soul's purpose, sharing your light and love with the world, choosing every day to be a conscious leader of your life, living in clarity, following your vibrational alignment, and manifesting the life of your highest vision. I'm opening a portal for your expansion. Welcome to my world. Together, we are expanding the consciousness of the planet and creating new civilization on Earth, civilization of love. You are seen and deeply appreciated. Thank you for being here.